Welcome to this training session on how to calculate specific gravity. We will look at how to determine the density of a solid object with a specific gravity of less than 1. This will help you to remember the different formulas. Cover the one you don't know and then do the math. If you want to know the density, just divide the mass by the volume. Finding mass is easy. Just weigh the object. In this case it's 7 grams. Finding volume is also easy if you can measure the object. An irregularly shaped object is a little more difficult. One way is to place the item in a graduated cylinder or beaker with water in it. Just note the water level before and afterwards. The difference is the volume of the object as marked on the scale. But what if the item floats? You may be able to push the item below the surface with a piece of safety wire and read the water level. Another method is to tie a weight to the object. Just make sure you calculate the volume of the weight by itself and subtract it from the volume of the object with the weight attached. So let's say that the increase is 15 milliliters, or 15 cubic centimeters, after subtracting the volume of the weight. So if density equals mass divided by volume, and our mass is 7 grams, and the volume is 15 cubic centimeters, then the density of the object is 0.46 grams per cubic centimeter. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.